Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do important BSCQs of quadratic equations. Very short questions. The questions which are very most important, which can come in exams, that we are going to do. So your first question is x plus 2 whole square is equals to x square plus 3, a quadratic equation. Is it a quadratic equation? That you have to find out. So quadratic equation is nothing but any equation which is of degree 2. Okay, that is nothing but your quadratic equation. So the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So after solving this equation, this should be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So let us check. X plus 2 whole square is equals to, this is in the form of a plus b whole square, right? So what's the formula for a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x square, a is x square plus 2 into x into 2, ab plus b square means 2 square, right? So x square plus 2 2s are 4x plus 2 2s are 4, right? So x square plus 4x plus 4, in the place of x plus 2 whole square I am writing x square plus 4x plus 4 is equals to x square plus 3, right? So here if I am sending this side x square or this side, anyhow is equals to is there, so this x square and this x square will get cancelled. So our equation is 4x plus 4 plus 3, I am taking this side, it will be minus 3 is equals to 0. So our equation is 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. So for the final equation is this one. Is it of degree 2? No, this equation is of degree 1. So this is nothing but a linear equation. So this is not a quadratic equation, right? So like this you have to do. So let us see next second most important question. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Find the discriminant of quadratic equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0, and then you have to write the nature of the roots. Write the nature of the means whether it is real, okay, like that you have to write nature of its roots. So here discriminant, what's the formula for discriminant? Discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. So this is the formula for discriminant, okay. So what is a here? A is 3. What is b here? B is minus 5, right? Bx, ax square, this is the general form of the quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c. So a is 3, b is minus 5, c is 2. So what is the discriminant formula? B square minus 4ac. B is means minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2. 5 5 is a 25 minus 4 3 is a 12, 12 2 is a 24. So d is nothing but 1, which is greater than 0. When if discriminant is greater than 0, the roots are nothing but real and distinct. The roots are real and distinct. That's it, right? Let us move to next question. Question number 3. So our third question is find the roots of the equation. You have to find the roots of the equation x square plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. X square minus 2x, x square plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. How we will find out the roots? First we have to factorize it, right? First we have to factorize. So x square, when you multiply, you should get 3x square because 3 into x square. But when you add or subtract, you should get plus 2. So here 3 ones are 3, right? So 3x minus x plus 3x minus x will be 2x. So x square plus 3x minus x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x, if I am taking x common, x plus 3 minus 1 x plus 3 is equals to 0. So x minus 1 and x plus 3 is equals to 0. So x minus 1 is equals to 0. X plus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 1 and x is equals to minus 3. Okay. So the roots are x is equals to 1 and x is equals to minus 3. 1 and minus 3 are the roots of the equation. Right. Next, let us see question number 4. Find two numbers. Find two numbers whose sum is 27. Whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Okay. So here we have to find two numbers whose sum is 27 and its product is nothing but 182. So let the first number, let us assume the number, let the first number be x. Okay. Since they said that whose sum is 27, the second number will be how much? 27 minus x, and product is 182. So x into 27 minus x is equals to 182, right, as per question. So 27x minus x square, x into x square is equals to 182. So x square minus 27x, I am sending all this that side, plus 182 is equals to 0. Now we have to factorize 182. 182 means 14 and 13. This we have already done, right? So x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equals to 0. So x common, x minus 14 minus x common, again x minus 14 is equals to 0. Right? If I am taking 13 common, right? So x minus 13 and x minus 14 is equals to 0. So x minus 13 is equals to 0. X minus 14 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 13 and 14 are the roots of the equation. Right? Let us see question number 5. Find sum and product of roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 4 root 3x plus 9 is equals to 0. Here we need to find the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. We know the formula. First we'll write this in the quadratic equation. X square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So what is a here? A is 1, right? B is minus 4 root 3, c is 9. Okay. Sum of the roots we are having the formula, that is minus b by a. So what is b here? Minus of minus 4 root 3 by 1. So sum of the roots is what? 4 root 3. If I need to find the product of the root formula is nothing but c by a. Product of the root is equals to c by a, which is 9 by 1, which is 9. That's it. Okay, let us see next question. Find the values of k for which the quadratic equation has equal roots. So here this is the quadratic equation. 4x square plus 5kx plus 25 is equals to 0. For this we need to find the value of k. Value of k we need to find, right? And already in the question they said that this equation has equal roots. Okay, so here what is a here? A is 4, b is 5k, c is 25. Okay, right? So equal roots means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, right? So then this is the condition for equal roots. What is b? 5k whole square minus 4 into a is 4, c is 25 is equals to 0. 5 5 is a 25k square minus 4 4 is a 16 into 25 is equals to 0. Now, so 25 into 16 how much? 5 6 is a 30, 6 2 is a 12, 12 plus 3 15, 1 5 is a 5, 1 2 is a 2, 0 0 1 400, right? So this is nothing but 400. 25k square is equals to 400. So k square is equals to 400 by 25. So 25 1s are 25. 40 minus 25 how much? 5 15, right? So 150. So 25 6 are 5 6 are 30, 6 2 is a 12. So 25 16s are. So k square is equals to 16. Square I am sending that side, it will become root. So what is the square root of 16? 4. The value of k is what? 4. That's it, right? Let us see next question. Write the nature of the roots of the equation. We have to write the nature of the roots of the equation. Your question is, what is the equation? X square minus 8x plus 16 is equals to 0. So what is A here? A is 1, B is minus 8, C is 16. Okay, so here determinant is what? B is equals to B square minus 4AC. What is B here? Minus 8 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 16. 8 is a 64 minus 16 4 is a 64. So this is nothing but 0. It means the roots are what? Roots are real and equal, since we got determinant as 0, right? Let us see next question. Find the value of k if 2 is one of the roots of the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is x square minus kx plus 6 is equals to 0. Okay, here they said that 2 is one of the root of this equation, root of the quadratic equation. It means if we substitute 2, we can get the value of k. So 2 square minus k into 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. 2 2s are 4 minus 2 into k, 2k plus 6 is equals to 0. So 6 plus 4, 10 is equals to minus 2x, 2k I am sending that side, plus 2k. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So k is nothing but 5. So the value of k is what? 5, right? Let us see next question. Question number 9. Your question is, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 in ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then what can you say about root of the equation? Roots of the equation. So in the question what they are asking, if the condition is given you like b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, what will be the condition at that time? Okay, so when the roots of the quadratic equation b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots will be real. The roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal. So this is your answer, right? Let us do next question. So now your question is, check whether 1 and 3 by 2 are the roots of the equation, are the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. So our p of x is what? 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Okay, so we have to check. So p of 1 is equals to what? 2 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 3. So 2 1s are 2 minus 5 plus 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. If p of 1 is equals to 0, it means 1 is the root of the equation. Let us check for 3 by 2. So 2 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 3 by 2 plus 3. So here 2 into 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, minus 5 3s are 15 by 2 plus 3. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So 9 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Because 2 in the denominator, it's common. 9 minus 15 is how much? Minus 6. Minus 6 by 2 plus 3. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So minus 3 plus 3, again it is 0. Therefore 1 and 3 by 2 are roots of the equation, correct? So these are all very important questions of quadratic equation which can come in exam. Very important questions. So practice well. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.